nice. Hello.
Where am I?
You're in my secret lair.
What do you want with me?
I want the information. I want the information you have.
I don't know things.
Yes, you do, and I'm going to find out by torturing you.
No.
No. Get down.
Slap fight.
Swirly time.
I can't send my nose. I can't breathe. I'll never tell.
Fine. Then I'm gonna shove you in this fryer.
Yeah, noodles. God.
How's your hair?
Unspeakable horrors were in there. Did you have to leave the razor buddy in there?
Yes, I did. And now we're going to do something worse.
No! Your move, hotshot.
Park Place.
You landed on all of my hotels. I mean,
I'm bankrupt.
all of my hotels. I win!
No, you don't.
What? No, table, there's Monopoly.
Time to go into the refrigerator.
No, wait.
What?
How is this torture?
Hey, put my icy back.
Oh, thank you.
My Coke. Come back here.
I can't get out of this blanket. What do you want from me?
I want you to watch the most horrible, disgusting DVD of all time. This will make your eyeballs bleed and your ears curl up like an elf's. And now you're going to watch this.
My Little Pony friendship is magic. You monster!
Will you talk?
I'm so talking.
At long last, I've found you. What's this? Mr. Cuddles! Mr. Cuddles. Mr. Cuddles.
No!
Mr. Cuddles.
Mr. Cuddles!